Hey guys, welcome to Hobbyista Down Under. This is your fellow hobbyista Johnny, and today we will be unboxing Coreful Albedo T-shirt swimsuit renewal version. Just a little background about this character. Albedo is famous for her role in the anime Overlord. She is pretty much the Overlord's right hand and is a very powerful succubus. Here's a short clip from the series.
Albedo アインズ様の寝室で何をしているのかね。
アインズ様がお戻りになった時に私の香りで包んで差し上げようかと思って。
アインズ様はアンデッドだから睡眠は不要では。まあほどほどにね。
どういう意味なのかわからないけど分かったわね、アインズ様。
それは抱き枕ですか。
ええ、自作よ。他にも将来生まれてくるであろう私たちの赤ん坊のために靴下や服を編んでいるの。もう5歳までの分は作ったわ。男の子でも女の子でも問題ない。良性とか無性とかでしたらどうしましょう。
どうも至高の御方々は少年には少女の格好をさせるみたいですよ。
まあそれはいいことを聞いたわ。ありがとうデミウルゴス。デザインを考えなくちゃ。
どういたしまして。
That pretty much sums up what Albedo is like in the series. Isekai anime is still at large, and this one is a great anime to watch as well. Going back to the figure, here's a 360-degree look of the box. It's quite a simple design. This is the first Coreful I have, so not really sure what to expect. I'm really looking forward to what's in store for us, especially for this character, who I have grown to love. Now for the hands-on experience. The quality and make of the box is nice to touch, and as you know, there are a lot of bootleg figures out there, so make sure to purchase your figures from a reputable seller. This one has the Kadokawa badge on it, so I'm trusting that this is legit. Also, this came from the Crane app game I play, which is in Japan, so it's a reputable shop that stores original Crane prize figures. Now let's open up this bad boy. Let's start with the base. It's a pretty simple base that has Albedo and the anime series Overlord designed into it. 2 holes where the figure's pegs will be inserted into. And as always, made in China. Then Albedo. No need to assemble her as she is a complete figure. This is such a nice figure for something that's quite small. As expected from Crane prize figures, they can only add up to certain elements into it as it's a budget-friendly statue. Just turning the figure around to see what we have in hand. The sling bikini is nice. Kinda has a little glitter into it. And the hair is quite nice too. It's got a gradient type of color. The skin color is consistent. And she's also wearing sandals. No nail polish on it though. Let's put the figure onto the base. It's not a bad figure at all. I like Albedo, and this pose is something that she'll pull off in front of Ain's Olgon just to get his attention. Spoilers here. Unfortunately, we don't get to see her dress up like this in the series. I guess Kadokawa could have done a better job if they had it as a scale figure, but for the tiny thing like this, I guess it's alright. The pose covers Albedo's face, so there's not much to see if you display this. I mean, other than her nearly exposed body. So what's my rating on this figure? I'll give it a 5 out of 10. I like beautiful figures, but unfortunately, this one didn't really get my bones tingling. There are far more superior Albedo figures out there for the same price, and you're not missing much if you don't purchase this one. How about you? What do you think about this figure? If you are to recommend another Albedo piece, which one would it be? Thanks again for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you later!